Hello, let's listen fetal heart sounds using Doppler. First, ask the mother to lie on her back or left side. Now apply generous amount of gel to mother's abdomen, which helps by improving sound conduction. Now, place Doppler probe at the lower part of the abdomen and gradually move over abdomen to locate fetal heartbeat. Once you find fetal heartbeat, listen to heartbeat. Now observe reading on display, note down beats per minute. Normal fetal heart rate is 110 to 160 beats per minute. Usually you can hear fetal heart sounds from second trimester.